You are welcome to the third episode. After refreshing the result page, after checking the results once again, we have now noticed that the attendance data are populated. You can see number of times school open is 68. If you remember, the school day count is 68, and then this student has the number of attendance to be 68 and the absence is 0. So if you remember, there was a student, we edited his attendance and then we gave him absence for 1 day, which means that we expected the absence to be 1 and the number of times he attended the school to be 67. So let's move down, let's check that student. So let me go down to area where you can see the student. Okay, this is the student. You can see Kashim. So you can see we have a number of times school open to be 68, attendance is 67, and then absence is 1. So this is how we can use auto generation to make attendance. Apart from this one, if a teacher is to use a regular attendance taking, so there is no need to pass through auto generation. You can go to taking the attendance daily. That's not it's not going to be through this approach. We have a video episode that discussed that, and that has been part of what we have already uploaded. So we only just join this one in order to be able to add more things to the portal. We have to facilitate attendance taking for those class teachers that have missed taking the attendance during the classes. So if you go back to the portal once again, so the summary of the whole thing is that to use auto generation, so we have to set the school days. So you come down here to create school days. You select the term, the session, and then the start date of the school for that term and the end date of the term. So once you do that, you generate the school days. So we can view school days here, select the term and the session. So we view the school days there. So once school days are viewed, so we check the school days there. So you can see we have, so if we notice that there are public holiday or special holiday among those days that we have generated, so we have to edit that day and set it from regular school day to short break. So then we submit. Now having done that, the next is to move to auto generation and select that term and the class term and the session and then submit. So once you have done this one, despite we have marked attendance automatically like that, it will not show on the result until we move to configuration under create session. Under create session, so the school day count that we have created, so we need to enter the number of day count. We have to enter it here. We select the session, the term, and the day count. So how do we get the day count? We get it from the school days that we generated, the number of days in that school day. So we can quickly view it here as well. Instead of going back to the other side, we can view it here. We can select this and then the session, and then we wait for the server to bring it. So you can see this is the regular school day count 68. So it is that this value that we get from number of times school open for that term that we are going to now enter here. So we select the term and then we put the counts there, we submit. So we're going to have this record show. So when we refresh the page, so once this is set, automatically the attendance will appear on the result. If you don't want to let attendance to appear, even if you have generated all these attendances, just delete this record. So when you delete the record corresponding to that term and the session, automatically for all the students, that attendance will not show. So that is the explanation of the whole thing. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.